We've been given a Venn diagram. Everything is in terms of x, which we've clearly got to find if we're going to answer this question of the probability up here. Now, a Venn diagram can represent numbers as well as representing probabilities. And if you think of these as probabilities, it's clear that everything in the set here, including those not included in A or B or C, must total up to 1. So if we add all these x's up and total the whole thing to 1, we should be able to solve for x and then answer the question. Let's have a go. So I've written out all of the x's, including those excluded from A, B and C, and I've made the whole lot equal to 1. Now let's gather all the terms together. First, the x squareds. Well, there are 2 of those, so this is 3x squared. Now the x's. I'm not certain whether I'm going to remain in fractions or decimals at this point, so I'm just going to count them up and make a decision later. So looking at the integers, I've got 3 plus another 2, that's 5. 6 and 13 is 19, so I've got plus 19x. Now these 2 fractions, if I put them both on a common denominator of 10, this will be 5x over 10, and this will be 2x over 10. So this is plus 7x over 10. And now the numbers, I've got -1, and it will be joined by another -1 when I move it to the other side. So this is -2 is equal to 0. I think given this is going to be quite difficult to solve by inspection, I think I would go to fractions and make this 19.7 and use the quadratic formula where A is equal to 3, B is equal to 19.7, and C is equal to -2. And if you do that, you'll find that x is equal to 1 over 10, or x is equal to -20 over 3. And because these probabilities must be positive between 0 and 1, I can reject the negative answer that's thrown up from solving this quadratic. So we've got x is equal to 1 over 10, or 0.1. So at last we're in a position to solve what they've asked for. So what does this mean? This is the union of B but not A, given that we're in C. And we need the probabilities which are in B, which are these 2, but not in A. Well, x over 2 is in A, so our answer to our probability is simply x over 5. And as x is equal to 1 over 10, the probability is equal to 1 over 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 1 over 50. And that's actually in the form they want. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 50. And there is the answer.